Everybody has those pesky broken exhaust manifold bolts on LS's. Here's a super simple way to get those out as long as you have a welder. What you want to do is take this, we got to grind that off. See how it's rusty there? We definitely got to get that shiny metal. So what we're going to end up doing is putting a nut here, but a lot of people try to do that right first. What I've learned to do is actually if you build up a nub basically of weld first before you put the nut on, it works a little bit better. And we'll burn it in real hot. And I'll come in here. And I'll start. You can feel it working already. You can see, out it came. That's all you gotta do. Just weld onto it, back it out. We'll dress that up with the wheel, but there's no damage to the threads, no chance of getting it into a water jacket, drilling it off center, none of that. Just hit it with the welder and keep on moving.